Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Acrobat Reader for free. So simply at first open your any browser. Like I'm open my Chrome browser, go to search option, search it to Adobe Acrobat Reader. Okay, alright. Then you get this website, download Adobe Acrobat Reader free video viewer. Just open this, then you get this pop-up. Press on OK. Now download this. Go back and open File Apps. Double press. Click on to yes. And now it's installing. Once complete to 100%, then successfully install this program. So that's it.